Oxytocin is a peptide hormone and it's a neuropeptide. It is produced in the hypothalamus and released by the posterior pituitary. It has a role in social bonding, reproduction, childbirth, and period after childbirth, that is during lactation. Oxytocin is released into the bloodstream as a hormone in response to love and labor. Half-life of oxytocin is approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Sechik and associates found that the uterus contracts within 3 to 5 minutes of beginning an oxytocin infusion. Plasma steady state is reached in 40 minutes. Oxytocin dosage is like 1 ml ampule containing 10 units of oxytocin is diluted in 1000 ml of crystalloid solution, administered by an infusion pump. A typical infusate consists of 10 or 20 units, which is 10,000 or 20,000 milliunits, or 1 or 2 1 ml vials respectively, mixed in 1000 ml of lactated ringer solution. This mixture results in an oxytocin concentration of 10 or 20 milliunits per ml respectively. This dosage is usually used in augmentation and or induction of labor. These are the various low and high dose regimens used for the labor induction. Prophylaxis in third stage of labor. It is usually used as intramuscular injection following a normal vaginal delivery, 10 units of oxytocin. Then higher dose of the oxytocin is unlikely to be beneficial. After caesarean section, 5 units of oxytocin is given by slow intravenous injection for prevention of PPH. The elimination half-life is 1 to 6 minutes when used intravenous, and it is nearly 2 hours when it is used intranasal. The oxytocin nasal spray is available by prescription under the brand names Pitocin and Syntocinon. Nasal sprays are commonly used in medical studies of psychiatric effects because a nasal spray allows oxytocin to travel more readily from the bloodstream to the brain than an injection. Coming to the role of oxytocin in breastfeeding. Although the breastfeeding can be a challenge for some, oxytocin triggers the letdown reflex and can foster bonding, both of which can help make breastfeeding easier. The oxytocin reflex is also sometimes called the letdown reflex or the milk ejection reflex. Oxytocin is produced more quickly than prolactin. It makes the milk that is already in the breast flow for the current feed and helps the baby to get milk easily. Oxytocin should always be administered as intravenous drip infusion or preferably by means of variable speed infusion pump for induction and augmentation of labor. For drip infusion, it is recommended that 5 international units of oxytocin can be added to 500 ml of physiological electrolyte solution such as sodium chloride 0.9%. Thank you.